How to recover iPhone notes. Today in this video we'll see together how to exactly do that, so follow up with me. First, of course, we go ahead and open Notes and then tap on Folders right here in the top left corner. From here, tap on Recently Deleted, long tap on the note, and then tap on Move and tap on Notes. And just like that, you got your note back. Now there is something else you can do. Go to your settings, go to your name or Apple ID section. From here, tap on iCloud. From here again, tap on Show All to extend the list of the apps, and then tap on Notes and make sure that this toggle is turned on to synchronize all of your notes with your iCloud, and you'll never lose them again like that. Now you can do something else again. Go to your main page of your settings, tap on General. From here, tap on iPhone Storage and then tap on the search box right here and search for Notes. From here, you can go ahead and offload the app if it was not functional properly, and that should probably solve your problem for good. And that is how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.